If you have seen Higgsfield AI clips blowing up online, you have probably noticed something called vibe motion. In this video, I'll explain what vibe motion actually does, where it shines, where it struggles, and the hidden limitations nobody really mentions, so you know if it is worth using in 2026. What is vibe motion? Vibe motion is Higgsfield's AI's feature that generates cinematic camera movement and motion flow from text prompts. Instead of static AI images or step videos, it focuses on how the camera feels, like slow push ins, dramatic pans, and natural movements. It is designed mainly for short cinematic clips, not full length videos. What vibe motion does really well? First, the good stuff. The camera motion looks cinematic and smooth, not robotic. Movements feel intentional like real filmmaking. Great for short films, ads, reels, and intros. Motion adds emotion, not just animation. This is where Higgsfield beats many generic AI video tools. It prioritizes vibe over complexity. What they do not talk about. Now, here's the part most reviews skip. 1. Limited control. You do not get deep timeline or keyframe control. You guide the motion with prompts, but you do not fully direct it. Number 2. Short clip dependency. Vibe motion works best in short bursts. Trying to build long scenes often leads to inconsistencies. 3. Not beginner friendly at first. Prompts matter a lot. If you are vague, results can feel random or repetitive. 4. Not a full video editor. No advanced cutting, transitions, or sound syncing. You will still need another tool to finish your project. Performance and output quality. Motion quality is high, lighting and depth feel realistic, results are consistent but not always predictable. Best used as visual layer, not the final product. If you expect perfection every time, you will be disappointed. If you expect creative inspiration, it delivers. Pricing and value in 2026. Higgsfield AI isn't the cheapest AI video tool. You are paying for cinematic motion quality, not volume. Worth it if you make short cinematic content, if you care about aesthetics and mood. Not worth it if you need long videos and if you want full editing control. Final verdict. It is not a complete video solution, but it is one of the best AI tools for cinematic motion right now. Use it as a creative weapon, not a full production studio. If vibe matters to you, Higgsfield AI is absolutely worth trying in 2026. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful, please support us with like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell in order to get all the new about the AI field. And if you have tried Higgsfield AI Vibe Motion, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.